Hello everyone, today we are going to learn second formula from your mathematics books, that's model. This formula, proof of a square minus b square formula, and you have to create model by cutting pieces of paper, and we will prove here geometrically by graphical representation. We know formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now we will see how we can prove it mathematically and geometrically. At first we have to take a square, then we have to discard this square. Let's see here some steps. First one, take a square and whose length will be a, and a square and its area will be a square. In the second step, draw a small square with a side of b unit at any corner of the square. So the area of a small square is b square. Here you can see this square is b unit measurement, and we'll discard it. We will subtract it from the whole square area. You can see this picture that we have deducted it from a square b part square. It will be more clear if we see graphically here. At first we will take a square. Just for your understanding, I am drawing it, and this length will be a both sides and its area will be a square, and our aim is to deduct b square. Now in the second step we will take a square any side, any corner of the square. Let's see its b unit. Assume it's b unit. Now we will deduct it, we will subtract it. If we subtract b unit, then our shape will be like this, and we'll get, and this part, after deducting this, this part will be, our measurement will be a minus b. When we will subtract from the whole area, the remaining part will be a minus b, and we will turn it at 90-degree angle like this. I am drawing it again here. Our picture will be, this was a, then we will add this rectangle part, a minus b part, and we'll turn it at 90-degree angle, and we will add it with this rectangle a minus b, whose measurement will be a minus b. And when we will do it by paper, cutting paper, and we will attach with this rectangle a minus b. So this is a minus b. Here this was a. Now it will be added with b. This is a plus b, and this is also a minus. Here it's, this length measurement will be a minus b, and it will also be a minus b. Now the length will be total length, as we have added rectangle b unit, and our whole length is now a plus b. Here this length is a plus b, and this is vertically a plus b, this length, and horizontally it's a plus b, and vertically a minus b. Now if we consider whole picture, if we consider this length is whole, this unit is a plus b and this unit is a minus b, and after multiplying with a minus b into a plus b, we get, after deducting from a square, we know after our square previous square was a square, and after deducting b square, we get what? We get a plus b into a minus b. So it has been proved both mathematically, that we call algebraically, and geometrically. You get a minus b. I hope you have understood from this presentation. Now we see from our lecture. So what we have learned from our graphical representation, at first I am representing it here again. At first we have taken a square whose length was a, and a square and whole area was a square. Then we have drawn a square any corner. Here we have drawn a square whose unit was b, and we have discarded it, and after discarding it, there was remaining part, that is a rectangle, that unit was a minus b. Then we have drawn it at 90-degree angle, and we have attached this a minus b part with here. In this picture you can see, third picture you can see the clear understanding. You will get a clear understanding from this picture how we have drawn it and what is the ultimate result, what we have got ultimately. Here you can see a plus b and a minus b, and you can see here, separate both rectangle, rotate the lower rectangle by 90-degree, and then join both rectangle. It formed another rectangle. We have got another rectangle. The length and width of the new rectangle are a plus b. We have already seen in our graphical representation, the new length will be a plus b, and here you can say the new width would be a minus b. You can see width or breadth. So after, when you multiply both the sides, a plus b or a minus b, will get ultimately a square minus b square. So our mathematically we have proved that in the first step. You can see in first step it's derived that the area of subtracted shape is a square minus b square, and the same shape is now transformed as a rectangle, a plus b into a minus b. So we have proved that after deducting a b square from the whole square, we have got two rectangle after attaching a minus b, and our length has been a plus b and second length has been a minus b. That's we call it, we can tell it length and we can tell it breadth. So guys, I hope you have understood. Thank you. See you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.